Everybody always says to me is, you should be dead. You shouldn't be here.
Right.
The fact that you're here is a miracle. So I restore classic Land Cruisers for a living. I get a lot of stuff shipped to the house, so almost every day I do a little burn pile. The day that it happened was just a normal day doing that. Had a burn pile set up with some cardboard. I poured some gas on it, and the gas can blew up in my hand. It was a 15-foot wall of flame just running around the yard.
It was like out of a movie.
All I could think to do was just dove in the lake. My entire
Right.
hand skin folded off in one piece with all
Right.
the fingernails with it. I wasn't thinking this is a life-threatening injury. I wasn't thinking I'm about to die.
Initially, when I got there and I spoke to the surgeon for the first time, he's, in the ICU, and the resident doctor there bring me in to give me the talk. He said this is a 90% burn. If he even makes it, he's going to be severely disfigured. His life is not ever going to be how it was before. Besides that, he's going to be in the hospital, best case scenario, 8 months to a year. But all we're looking at is hour by hour, day to day at this moment, because the first 10 days are the most critical.
The burn was so severe that they were willing to try some new experimental technique. They took the skin off my back 3 different times to get enough skin to cover my entire body. They stretched it out, and then they spray a stem cell based solution that uses my own stem cells to promote the growth of the new skin. And it worked fantastic. I mean, it was a tremendous success. The fact that we had a regional burn center right nearby and a tremendously good hospital, that's why I'm here today. The people you were surrounded by were just incredible.
Right.
I mean, they worked as hard as they could to do everything, and they really made you feel like you were going to be all right.
And he walked out at 4 months. It was
Right.
4 months and 2 days.
4 months and 2 days. I'm still going to both PT and OT twice a week, and you just see progress. It's slow.
He's doing workout machines now,
Yeah.
leg presses and stuff.
Right.
What, a couple months ago you
Yeah,
were
I
in
mean,
bed,
a couple
right?
months ago you were in a bed. I mean, I couldn't move, and here I am on a leg press machine,
Right.
leg pressing 100 pounds. Every time at the end of it, it's like you can find something that you did better than last
For
time.
sure.
I'm optimistic that I'll get there again. Is it going to happen tomorrow? Probably not, but I think we'll find a way to make it work.